Unfortunately, the Parliament's winter session has been a complete washout because of massive disruptions. The BJP and the Congress are locked in a battle over billionaires. On one side is Gautam Adani, on the other side is George Soros. Now, the lack of the House business is resulting in waste of crores of taxpayers' money and also key issues that are very important for the public of India. Those issues, unfortunately, are being ignored at the moment. Take a look.
Chairman, sir, Congress se Rahul Gandhi se mere 10 sawal hai.
A battle over two billionaires, Gautam Adani and George Soros, has derailed the winter session of Parliament.
Sonia Gandhi ke saath kya sambandh hai jisko Soros fund karta hai?
The BJP once again accused the Congress of links with the American billionaire and demanded the Grand Old Party come clean on the issue.
FDL AP जो कश्मीर को अलग देश मानता है उसके साथ राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन के सोनिया गांधी के साथ क्या संबंध है जिसको सोरोस फंड करता है? सोनिया और सोरोस का रिश्ता क्या है? और राहुल गांधी के अमेरिका दौरे का सारा खर्चा ग्लोबल नॉलेज इनिशिएटिव सैम पित्रोदा देता है जिसको सोरोस पैसा देता है.
Your conduct, no, take your seat. Take your seat.
In the Rajya Sabha, the government attacked the opposition over its no trust motion campaign against chairperson Jagdeep Dhankar.
इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के ऑफिशियल हैंडल से चेयरमैन को चेयर लीडर कहा गया है. इसकी जितनी भर्त्सना की जाए एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट को इस तरीके से डेरोगेट करने का, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोजीशन को इस तरीके से डिमीन करने का जो आपने कुत्सित प्रयास किया है, जो गलत प्रयास किया है, भारत की जनता कभी माफ नहीं करेगी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस को.
उनके जो निर्णय रहते हैं.
The Congress, on the other hand, claimed the government was running away from real issues.
ये लोग अपने विषय को भटकाना चाहते हैं. अपने विषय को भटकाना चाहते हैं.
Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were adjourned till Friday. The opposition staged protest outside Parliament building demanding probe against industrialist Gautam Adani, who is indicted by an American court for alleged securities fraud. Protests inside and outside Parliament are draining taxpayers' money. It's important to note that every minute Parliament runs, taxpayers pay 2.5 lakh rupees. In an hour, this amounts to 1.5 crore rupees. For 6 hours of daily proceedings, the cost is around 9 crore rupees. Over 13 days, 117 crore rupees has been spent on running the Parliament. The government had agreed to a discussion on Friday to mark the 75th anniversary of the Constitution. The face-off between government and opposition has now cast a cloud on the special occasion. Bureau Report, India Today.